I'm Hayes Jackson. I'm Urban Extension Agent with the Alabama Cooperative Extension System here in Anniston. And I'm the urban horticulturist. And one of my areas of expertise is landscaping and plantings in urban areas. And one thing that I've discovered and through research and past studies is that with a landscape downtown and increased greenery and shade trees, customers tend to spend more money. So by having a green downtown, we can actually draw more people to downtown. But I want to go one step beyond that and actually make it an educational experience and have demonstration gardens. We've done a xeriscape garden here in downtown and show some other things beyond just basic landscaping and let it be a destination for plant people as well as people who want to shop. Not a lot of cities extend a botanical garden into its downtown area. We could do an urban tree trail and do some nice garden demonstrations that would really draw more people to downtown. And I would love to see Anniston really enhance some of the landscape plantings and become a little more green downtown. We could even do some things with rainwater harvesting and become a little more environmentally savvy in our landscaping and as we want to develop downtown and make it an interesting area, not just for shopping, but for a destination. Here's a sample of a garden that I worked with Spirit of Anniston a few years ago. This is a really hot site. There's a lot of concrete downtown. We call this kind of like it falls within the urban heat island. We also have some small beds that have very little soil space. So plants that survive here need to be very drought tolerant. And what we wanted to do was to do a xeriscape demonstration garden. Xeriscaping means reduced water use. So by planting plants here that take low water or actually can survive with little to no irrigation and survive on rainfall alone, we were able to get some flowering plants and things, and eventually we'd like to label these plants and do an educational board and show what people can do in the terms of xeriscaping and low water use. That's using plants that are from drier climates or native plants that are accustomed to long periods without rainfall. So we can see here we've got some nice plants. This is actually an iris. We planted this as a small plant and see it blooms well. This is a very dry, sunny location and doing well. We'd like to see this garden enhanced a little bit more, maybe increase some signage and let it be an educational spot as well.